These are the elevators at the Hampton Inn and Suites UTC location in Sarasota, Florida. Otis Series 5, installed in 2009. No floor passing chime on this one. Interesting. Here's the hallway. Let's go down to 1. No call recognition either. Here's your inspection certificate. A little out of date. It says expired August of 2025. Filming this at the end of September. I have filmed here a couple times before, once in 2016 and once in 2019. I'm going to link those videos in the description. Let's send this one up to 4. And let's see if we can get the other one. Here it is. Series 5 vandal resistant call button on the first floor. We're gonna go 4. Let's go 1. If you hit 1R, that lights up that says restricted floor. There's your inspection certificate. This one is in date. It says August of 2026. Can't tell the capacity from up here. It's pretty warm. There it goes. And that'll be it.